Right now, let's talk about how you can archive apps on the Android. So let me explain that. If it's your first time being here, definitely subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one. First of all, you can go ahead and open up the App Store, which is in this case the Google Play Store, of course. And what you can do is to tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, and below you have the settings for the general Play Store. So you can tap there in a part of the general section. Upon scrolling down just a little bit more, you can see the automatically archive apps toggle. And based on the description there, apps that you use rarely will be archived when your storage runs low. So if you enable this, then it will happen automatically, and those apps which you haven't used for a while are going to be like archived or offloaded. I guess it's like the equivalent of offloading the app on the iPhone. Well, essentially, that's how you can do this. Outside of that, inside of the settings app of the device, generally speaking, you could go ahead and see if there isn't any way to do it in your device. You could go to the apps section and find like a third party app which you might have on your device and see what you can do about it. Usually there isn't any way to like archive it, or at least in my case it's not there. You can only force stop it and uninstall it if you would want to, or you can as well click on the toggle to remove permissions if app is unused. So that is also really useful if you don't use the app for a long time. So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. I really hope that I was able to help you out. Thanks a lot, and I'm going to catch you in the future uploads as well.